This looks familiar, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, that's what we had just seen on the Bosch dishwashers.
Absolutely. So in Bosch, it's commonly known as, of course, the power control spray arm. And in Thermador, we call it zone control. And of course, the same concept that we talked about in the Bosch is exactly what's going to happen here. It's going to actually notice how it's rotating prior to ever turning on that water. It's making sure that there are no obstacles in the way before it starts doing its wash. And if there is an obstacle, like maybe a fork or something fell and now it's blocking, it would then stop the unit and give you a nice little error code and, of course, fix it. And by fixing it, removing the fork.
Yeah, because otherwise, the teeth on the bottom could possibly get broken from trying to continually
Yeah,
so that's a great feature to protect itself.
You're going to find this zone control spray arm on the Sapphire and Star Sapphire dishwashers. And of course, as you can clearly see, that does a phenomenal job at hitting all around.